Should I go with microinverters or solar optimizers plus a string inverter? If you're setting up a solar system, this question is bound to come up. Well, in this video, I'll break it down for you with clear insights and recommendations. Firstly, why do we even need microinverters or optimizers? When you connect multiple solar panels in a string, the entire string's performance is limited by the weakest panel. That means if one panel is shaded, covered in snow, or even just a little dirty, it drags down the output of the whole string. That's where microinverters and optimizers come in. They both enhance system performance by maximizing the power output of individual panels. So, what's the difference between a microinverter and a solar optimizer? Let's start with microinverters. They are small inverters that attach to the back of panels. A microinverter typically connects to 1 to 4 panels. Each panel gets its own maximum power point tracking, MPPT, which basically means each one operates independently. Microinverters convert DC to AC right at the panel level. They are connected in parallel, sending AC power directly to the main electrical panel. Now, let's look at solar optimizers. Each solar panel is connected to one optimizer. SolarEdge optimizers have MPPTs for each individual panel, while Tigo optimizers have DC converters that boost the current to match the strongest cell in a string by correspondingly reducing the voltage. Optimizers are connected in series to form strings, sending DC power to a string inverter, which then converts it into AC for the grid. Then, how do you decide which one to use? First, if you're planning to add battery storage with DC couple capability, optimizers are the better choice. And you don't need an extra inverter because the battery system has a hybrid inverter. Next, consider the system size. If you have a large solar setup, something over 10 to 15 kilowatts, optimizers with a string inverter will usually be cheaper. Microinverters, on the other hand, are more effective for smaller solar systems. And of course, reliability matters. No matter what you choose, go with a trusted brand that offers a good warranty. Lastly, there's a few bonus tips. First, both microinverters and solar optimizers often feature rapid shutdown, RSD. RSD itself is required in many regions for safety compliance. 2. Got only a few shaded panels? Tigo optimizers can be selectively installed on affected panels to save costs. 3. Most solar panels have bypass diodes, so even without microinverters or optimizers, a panel producing significantly low output will automatically be bypassed. 4. If you're currently using a string inverter, you can consider adding solar optimizers to improve performance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.